The secret to having fresh, soft, clear-looking skin. Please note, some individuals with sensitive skin may experience redness, irritation, or other minor adverse reactions. If this occurs, please discontinue use. Number 1 Professional Spa Formula, highest quality Dead Sea Mud for face, acne, body, oily skin, and blackheads, best facial pore minimizer, reducer, and pores cleanser treatment, natural for younger looking skin with shea butter, aloe vera, jojoba oil for women and men. Exfoliate, deep cleanse, and detoxify. Aria Starr Botice Dead Sea Mud Mask extracts toxins and impurities located deep in the skin layers, absorbs excess oils, and removes dead skin cells, dirt, and toxins to reveal fresh, soft, clear-looking skin with clean pores, even skin tone, and refined skin texture. Helps fight blackheads and acne. Discover the world-renowned sacred mud that spas across the nation are raving about. Contains natural minerals like magnesium, calcium, sulphur, bromide, iodine, sodium, zinc, and potassium, which are known to treat, detoxify, and cleanse the skin. Moisturizer and stimulates circulation, delivers a significant amount of moisture to your dry or sensitive skin. Also, dramatically increases the blood flow to your skin cells, helping to achieve healthier and tighter looking skin for anti-aging and anti-wrinkle. Sensitivity test. First, apply a small amount in a covered area of your skin before applying on your face. Product ingredients include natural astringents, which may affect persons with sensitive skin. Get more info, please click link in below description, and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.